Welcome to Delta 4x4, off-road since 1980.
Today we are excited to introduce a very special collaboration. Together with X-Ray, the 6-time winner of the Rally Dakar, we are converting a total of 4 MAN TGE vans that will support the X-Ray works team at the upcoming Dakar Rally as service and team vans. Let's start with the front. On the front we've mounted our stainless steel front bar. On the front bar we've mounted our Pier Bar 18. We equipped all of the vans with our 40mm lift kit to give it more ground clearance and room for bigger tires. Our wheel of choice, our 18-inch Klassik-B rim in combination with our Lodertire AT #1 in the size 255/55 R18. On the back we've mounted our spare wheel carrier. This setup makes the van perfectly prepared for the Rally Dakar. We're proud to be part of this project. If you're interested in this X-Ray MAN Dakar edition, just contact X-Ray. We wish X-Ray the best of luck and great success at the Dakar. See you in the next video.